Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're uncovering the shocking story of Gerald Barnbaum, the fake doctor who deceived hospitals, patients, and the medical system for years. He posed as a physician despite losing his license, and his actions led to tragedy and prison time. But after decades of deceit and punishment, where is Gerald Barnbaum now? Let's find out. Gerald Barnbaum was born in Chicago in 1933. He started his career as a pharmacist, but lost his license in the 1970s after committing Medicaid fraud. Instead of changing his path, he did something far worse. He stole a real doctor's identity and began practicing medicine without a license under the name Gerald Barnes. Over the years, Barnbaum worked in clinics and hospitals, treating unsuspecting patients. His most notorious case came in 1979, when one of his patients, a man named John Mackenzie, died due to his medical negligence. That death exposed Barnbaum's fraudulent activities and led to criminal charges. Barnbaum was arrested and convicted multiple times for practicing medicine without a license and for fraud. Even after being caught, he continued to assume false identities and return to medical work. Each time, he managed to fool employers and slip through background checks. His repeated offenses landed him in federal prison, where he spent decades behind bars. By the 2000s, he became infamous as one of the most persistent medical imposters in U.S. history, a man who simply refused to stop pretending to be a doctor. Where is Gerald Barnbaum now? Gerald Barnbaum spent the rest of his life behind bars. According to prison records, he passed away in 2018 while serving his sentence in federal custody. He was 85 years old. There was little public notice of his death, and no known surviving family members made statements. Even in death, his legacy remains a cautionary tale about trust, deception, and the dangers of unchecked ambition. Gerald Barnbaum's story is a chilling reminder of how far deception can go and how easily trust can be broken in the wrong hands. From pharmacist to fake doctor, his lies cost lives and destroyed his own future. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on where they are now.